What up worlds, BK here, episode 12 of Trash to Track. Yesterday we worked on the intercooler setup. Today we'll be placing the thermostat as well as a coolant outlet. We also need to finish the intercooler bracket. Cool plan, let's go. We cut the end off of this bracket. We're gonna go ahead and take this off and then place these on the other side. This might actually clear. Worried about this one though. All right. Now that we're mounted nice and tight, see how tight that is? It doesn't move at all. No jiggles anywhere. Coolant reservoir is supposed to mount somewhere in this area. So I think this might be part of its mounting holes, but we're probably just going to relocate it. Clean, 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 clean. Hey, it's not all rusted. Remember this one? Where's this go? That's right. Granger just emailed us. They have our 3 feet of hose, so we're gonna go pick that up. Yeah, Granger, this place is awesome. If you need anything like hoses, clamps, supplies, this place. Everyone's favorite part. Okay. It seems like the last Autocross event of the year is December 17th, so I'm going to continue to work on ZZ as much as I can and release videos until we can either get to the track or not to the track. So I appreciate you following along, and if you like this, please give it a like. If you want to see us at the track, hit subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.